Today I want to share a cost-effective recorder. The model is R189. This recorder adopts an all-metal body design, 2 5D acrylic lens, electroplated buttons, stylish and high-end appearance, and it supports 4 modes to switch freely. All your imaginations can be created 360 degrees around the recording, so you don't miss anything. The front screen displays the recorder, music, ebooks, and settings. The bottom includes the unique recording button in the middle, the save button, play button and delete button on both sides. The right side includes the switch button and the noise reduction button. And this side includes the volume button and power switch key. Conference recording, scene dynamic noise reduction, more intelligent. Don't worry about the computer tapping and non-stop homework. With it, you can get twice the result with half the effort by anti-listening to voice retrieval and focusing on key records. It also supports phone recording to avoid missing any important calls. In any mode, the one-button recording function does not require cumbersome operation steps. When you push the noise reduction button up, a downward arrow will appear on the microphone at the top left of the recording interface, indicating that the noise reduction has been successful, making the sound more pure. When recording, press the play button to stop the recording, and press the save button on the upper left of the front to save the recording. On the other hand, it also supports TF card expansion to store more recording files. And the recording format can also choose MP3 or WAV, which can perform format conversion. In addition, the recording can be protected by a password, so there is no need to worry about the leakage of the recording file. High sensitivity pickup, easy to capture more delicate sound details.